Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm going to talk about how to share your roadmap. Since ProductPlan is a web-based application, you can share a live version of your roadmap with teammates, partners, stakeholders, and even customers, making it easy to achieve better organizational alignment and communication. To get started, click the Share button located on the right-hand column of your roadmap. When you click into the Share modal, you'll see the option to share your roadmap with your entire team. Your team can be managed in your account settings. As an admin, you can decide whether your team will have viewing or editing access, keeping in mind that in order to edit, team members will need their own ProductPlan license. You can also share your roadmap by manually adding the email addresses of desired recipients. When you invite someone using their email address, they will receive an email invitation to create a ProductPlan account if they don't already have one. Again, you can invite people with either full editing or free viewing access. Another way to share your roadmap is by using a secure private link. The private link feature makes it easy to share your roadmap with customers, vendors, partners, or anyone who needs access to your roadmap. People using the private link do not need to sign into ProductPlan in order to view your roadmap. Note that the private link can be permanently deleted and withdrawn at any time. Private links can be useful when corresponding by email with team members or stakeholders. They can also be helpful if and when you want to embed your roadmap on your intranet or company site. Roadmap sharing is a powerful tool, and deciding how to maximize its utility ultimately comes down to your organization. Find a process that works for you and enjoy the benefits of a well-aligned team.